everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is a new house huge grocery haul. We had to stock up on a lot of stuff and I wanted to share it with you guys while I also do some fridge organization and pantry organization. Do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
I know I gotta go, but I can't.
None of our stuff has arrived yet, so I had to pick up some utensils and also some cookware. Starting off, I picked us up some bread and also some Hawaiian rolls and these buns. They are the Market Street buns and they taste so good. I got some maple brown sugar from Sam's Club because Tristan eats this all the time. Some sugar, strawberry jam, and these cinnamon rolls. I got these from Sam's Club. This is my first time trying these, so I do not know how they taste. I picked up some cereal, Reese's Puffs, and also some Cheerios in the cinnamon flavor, and I got some pancake mix. Next, I got some jasmine rice because this is what we use to make our fried rice, some macaroni and cheese bowls for the boys, and also some spaghetti pasta. Next, I got all of the basics because like I said, you guys, we just moved here, so we don't have anything. But the biggest thing I get questions about is the cookie butter, and Carter is allergic to peanut butter, so we only use cookie butter in the house. Next, on to the seasonings. I got everything that was like our usual: garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, and salt. And the ranch is what I use when I make my ranch burgers. For drinks, you guys know I am obsessed with sparkling water, so I picked some up and I got some Kool-Aid Zero Sugar for the boys. For fruit, I got some bananas and apples, and for veggies, I got some tomatoes. There is a fresh farmers market here that I want to check out. I didn't pick up much because I really don't like getting my fruit and vegetables from Walmart. Now on to the snacks. I picked up some fruit snacks and also some chips from Sam's Club and some, I don't know how you guys say it. I say Vienna sausages, but I may be wrong. I got some dried mangoes, applesauce for Carter, Cheez-Its, and also graham crackers for Tristan. These chips were new. I've never seen them before, but the boys like them and my husband, so I picked them up. I got some Little Bite muffins because you guys know we love these. Also some cookies from Sam's Club. These are my favorite. Dill pickle chips. These are my absolute favorite. And hot tamales and also some Jolly Rancher bites. Get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that. My friend Ebony LeMay, she has a channel here and I will link her down below, but every time she does her grocery haul, she have these, so I picked them up to give them a try. Once again, I got the basics: butter, milk, cheese, and also some biscuits. The Yo Crunch yogurt, I saw my girl Mummy and Decorate Ron Michelle have it in her grocery haul, so I picked it up and I really like it. It is so good. I got some coconut milk for Carter, orange juice, and almond milk for everyone else. For my frozen veggies, I got corn and also some broccoli. For the frozen meat, it is a must that I get meatballs and pizza. So I picked that up for the boys. I picked up these for my husband, some garlic, some chicken drumsticks, and I also got some ground beef, hot dogs, and this pulled chicken from Sam's Club. This tastes so good. We make pulled chicken sandwiches and sometimes tacos. It tastes amazing. And I also picked up some steaks because my husband wanted to try out the stove. This is our first time having a gas stove and he was super excited. The last thing I got is some brats in the cheddar and bacon flavor. The last items of the haul is this. We got sausages from Sam's Club. They are for my husband. And I picked up these for the boys, pancake and sausages. They love them. I got turkey sausages for me and Carter. Some bacon Lunchables for the boys because they eat these like crazy. And also some lunch meat.
Good time looks like you can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby.
Once we arrived in California, the first thing on our to-do list was to find a fridge. And we purchased this one from Best Buy. It is a Samsung. I don't know the exact model or anything, but once I find it, I will link it down below for you guys. My husband was ready for the fridge, but I was ready to organize the fridge.
You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide.
One thing that I did not let the movers pack were my organization bins. I packed that myself because I knew once I arrived, I wanted to do the exact thing. And also my best friend from high school purchased these bins that you see me washing right now. And they are for beverages. So thank you so much for you guys that are purchasing stuff from off our registry. That will also be linked below for you guys to check out.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Only chasing highs, you need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, I would like to thank you, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic designer, military wife, and also a boy mom. And on my channel, you would find tons of cleaning motivation, organization inspiration, and also some home decor. If this is something that you would enjoy, I would love for you to subscribe and to become a part of my YouTube family.
Can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. All my mind's
This is not the official fridge and pantry organization video. I do not have all of my bins in, and I want to come up with a system that will work for my family and also the boys getting their snacks. I love to make it convenient for them. So be on the lookout for another video.
And I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up. And I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. He love me better than you do, yeah. He love me better than you, love me better than you do.
If you have made it this far in the video and you are still cleaning with me, let me know what room you are cleaning. But do not forget to like this video because it helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck, I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.
Now that I am done with the fridge, it is time to organize the pantry. If you are a day one, you know that my pantry before this was an awkward shape, and this one is also, but it is like it's bigger and I have more shelves, so I cannot wait to get bins to organize this area.
It's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck, I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
One thing that I wasn't prepared for was the cabinet space. I've never had this much cabinet space, so organizing all of the items to go inside the cabinet was very tricky for me, but I know I will be ordering bins for the cabinets also.
I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck, I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you.
Another item that was purchased off my registry is this black matte dinnerware set, and oh my gosh, you guys, it is so pretty. It is like perfect. It's modern and I love it. I will also link it down below because I know some of you guys was asking me on Instagram, where did I get it from?
Oh baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No. Oh, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this new house huge grocery haul, and it gives you ton of cleaning motivation and also inspiration to organize your fridge and pantry or just kitchen in general. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
It's a devil on your shoulder.